I am here to analyze my trade today, and the only trade I'm going to analyze so far is the New Zealand versus the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. And so far so good. You can see how far this price has come. Okay, you can see how far this price has come from here to here in the 4-hour time frame. And if you are to judge by counting the number of pips, this is about 720 pips so far. That's to tell you the beauty of following the trend and trading alongside the trend. Okay, so today what I saw was that price has been unable to break this high here. All right, so this high remains very much intact in using the 1-hour time frame. And what has happened is that once this high was gotten, price came down and also went back up again and still came back down, and look at what it's doing. All right, so if I'm to analyze using this horizontal line, measuring through via the horizontal line, I really want to measure it very properly. Okay, yeah, this is it. You see, we can definitely see that we have not been able to go past this line. All right, we've not been able to go past this level here. Okay, that price just keeps touching and touching and touching and touching and touching. All right, so even if we move it a little bit to the left, okay, you will definitely see that it is still the same thing. Look at one. This is how many times price has touched, although it went above that line here, forming a new higher high. This is the 4th time, if I'm not counting this, sorry, 3rd, and this is the 4th time here. Now the bottom line is, if price fails to break this horizontal if price fails to break this level here, okay, if price refuses to break it, definitely we should be looking for a sell opportunity. All right, yeah, this is it. So if price refuses to break this, we should be looking for a sell opportunity. Break above, not just break above here, but break above this higher high that we'll have here. So that's what I'm actually looking at. So the point is that two things are always involved. I always look at two things. It is either price goes up or price comes down. So breaking above here means that euro still has a very breaking above this level here means that euro still has a stronger bias as against the New Zealand. And breaking below, price breaking below this, let me just create this rule here. Yeah, exactly. So price breaking below here means that we will definitely be looking for a longer time with short moves in a longer time. All right, now that's it. But on a very good day, with my instinct, in my own discretion, I have let me just say like a 70% rule, or 70% rule that price may fall rather than it's going up. All right, so it's just, for me, it is 70-30. So I'll be looking for I'll be looking for opportunity to sell the market. All right, I'll be looking for opportunity to sell the market, and I'm just waiting for just one confirmation, all right, in the smaller time frame. Then I will just shoot the shot. All right, so that's just the beauty of it. Let me cancel this, and okay, even still cancel this. Then we'll go to the smaller time frame to see what we are talking about. Okay, I'll do it with let's use this. This is the higher high. I want to make it bold, and then this is also another level, the level that we price has actually kept touching all this while. So that means we have two levels. So let's go to a smaller time frame, but before then I still need to do one thing. All right, yeah, this. So let's move down to a smaller time frame and see what we are doing. Now this is that high here, and you can see how many times price has tested, was about testing but didn't do anything. Here it almost tested this level, but there was nothing that happened. It didn't break. This level here was not threatened, okay, by this. So in my own discretion, I will just be looking for opportunities to do what? To sell, the market. I'm not saying I'm the market. I am not saying I decide for what the market does, but I just say I have a 70-30 rule to look for a sell opportunity and sell. But if price goes above, break this barrier and also break here, that means we'll be looking for opportunities, a new opportunity on Euro, New Zealand, and also on other currency pairs, and also in gold, and on silver too. Once I'm able to generate an entry, I may post it here. I may also post it. I think it will be easier for me to post on short videos like on TikTok, where I also have an account, and also on my Twitter page, which I'm just trying to post. So in case I go to any of my platforms, I just want to be able to stumble upon my stuff, and also stumble upon my work, and watch my videos again and digest it. So it could be on YouTube Short, and also on TikTok. It definitely be on my Twitter page, and also on every other social platforms that I am running. So thank you, and thanks to me too for doing this for myself. Bye.